Everybody, welcome back to Sauceman's Garage. This is the 2004 Volvo XC70. I just wanted to show you guys a real quick issue that we had with this car that may help you save yourself a trip to the repair shop. The owner came in saying that he could not, he was driving, he stopped it for a pedestrian, and then the car would not go, the car popped out of gear into neutral and then would not go into drive or park. He was able to kind of jimmy it into, it wouldn't go into drive or reverse. He was able to kind of put it into park after a little bit of jiggling. But he thought he thought the transmission died. Thought it was time to commit this car to the wrecker. So we went and looked at it, tried to help him out, and if you see down here, this is your linkage for your transmission. So this cable connects to the gear selector in the center console, and then there's the actuator right here. So this piece, that arm right there, that arm moves up and down. So what his issue was, funny enough, this connector here, not sure what it is, got some vacuum tubes going to it, and a electrical connector, so it's a sensor some sort. This sucker fell down because it came unconnected and lodged itself. I can't even replicate it. Lodged itself kind of down in there, and it was preventing the shift linkage from moving from going into drive and reverse. So if your Volvo all of a sudden stops going into drive or reverse, and you haven't had any other transmission issues like slipping in gear or anything else, check this connector. All you have to do is just reconnect it back up here, slide it in to its home, clips right there, and that connector, once it's home, you're good. And if it's fallen down, has become unconnected and fallen down into your linkage, based on what we just went through, it can cause shift issues in your Volvo, which may make you think that you have a transmission issue, but all you really have is you just have something in the way of your linkage down here. So if you have a problem shifting out of driver reverse, all of a sudden just comes out of the blue, no other issues, check this. It might be as simple as that. Thanks everybody for watching Sauceman's Garage. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and we will see you next time.